In this brief video, I will demonstrate how you can easily incorporate text onto an image using Wix. There are a few different methods you can utilize to achieve this. Once you are inside the editor, you will notice that I have already added text over a strip. If you wish to include a section and then add a strip, you can follow this approach. Some of the strips provided already have an editable background image. To insert your image, simply drag the strip onto the desired location, click on Change Strip Background, select Image, choose your preferred image, and click Change Background. Now you have successfully created a strip with your customized image. Feel free to adjust the size as desired. If you only require a small image, you can also add it by going to the Add Elements option and selecting Image. You can choose an image from Wix's collection. Once you have placed the image where you want it, navigate to the Elements tab, click on Text, and add the desired text. You will now have text overlaying the image. If the text does not appear, it may be located at the bottom. Simply right-click on it, go to Arrange and bring it to the front. These are two effective methods to add text to your Wix website.